Hi, I'm Dean.
And I'm Ann from A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Subscribing doesn't cost anything, but it does help us out tremendously.
So here we have our side-by-side going through the trails. These trails are what I'm using right now to pull out all the timbers for the home. It's a little rough right now. As you can see, Anne is actually driving and bouncing around a little bit.
And filming at the same
And
time.
filming. Eventually, what will end up happening is we will be making these trails, grooming them if you want, to a few things. Do side by side or four wheeling, snowmobiling, and also we have a lot of maple in or on our lot, and we will be doing a maple syrup shack if you want, or we'll be doing privately owned maple syrup.
Collecting sap is what we're going to be using the trails for as well.
Yeah.
So, but it's also great for hiking, so for just recreation,
Yeah.
as well as just going through the bush for a ride.
I'm actually planning on making a grooming apparatus to help us groom it. So, if you did want to run or even ski in the winter, it probably would be a very nice trail.
For cross country,
Yeah,
not downhill, of course.
well, I don't know about some places, but anyway.
Well, we'd like to thank you for watching and hope this gives you a little idea of what our nature looks like near our cabin anyhow. And we appreciate any comments and any
Ideas, actually. If you
ideas.
want an idea of something on our site or our channel, just give us a comment.
Yes, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.